Japanese pronunciation becomes powerful once you learn how sounds combine. Today, you'll learn Yoon sounds like kya, shu, and cho. And by the end of this video, you'll clearly hear the difference between combined sounds and separate sounds. Welcome back to Byte Nihongo. You already know how hiragana works and how consonants combine with vowels. Today, we take the next natural step in pronunciation, Yoon sounds, and we'll finish with clear practice examples, so everything clicks. What is Yoon? Yoon means contracted sounds. These sounds are created when a syllable ending in I combines with a small ya, yu, or yo. Instead of two sounds, they merge into one smooth sound. Which rows are used? Yoon only comes from specific rows. From the K row, ki. From the S row, shi. From the T row, chi. From the N row, ni. From the H row, he. From the M row, me. From the R row, ri. And also G, B, and P. If it ends with the E sound, it can usually form Yoon. The core pattern. Here's the simple rule. Take an E sound, add a small ya, yu, or yo, and blend them smoothly. Not two beats. One clean sound. Hiragana examples. Let's see some hiragana examples. Ki plus small u becomes kya. Ki plus small u becomes kyu. Ki plus small yo becomes kyo. She becomes chiya, shu, sho. Chi becomes cha, chu, cho. Notice something important. The small ya, yu, and yo are written smaller on purpose. They tell you, blend, don't separate.
Let's quickly practice all the Yoon sounds together.
Kya, kyu, kyo, gya, gyu, gyo, sha, shu, sho, ja, ju, jo, cha, chu, cho, nya, nyu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, bya, byu, byo, bya, pyu, pyo, mya, myu, myo, bya, ryu, ryo.
Katakana works the same way. Now, a very important point. Yoon pronunciation is exactly the same in hiragana and katakana. Only the writing changes, the sound does not. So once you learn Yoon once, you've learned it for both systems. Easy memory trick. Here's an easy way to remember Yoon. Big character plus small character equals one sound. If the ya, yu, or yo is small, your mouth should move only once. Practice. Yoon versus separate sounds. Now, let's practice. And this part is very important. Listen carefully to the difference. Kya, kya, shi-yu, shu, chi-yo, cho. If you hear two beats, it's wrong. If it feels light and fast, it's correct. Try saying them again smoothly. Kya, shu, cho. Common mistake to avoid. A common mistake is reading Yoon like two separate syllables. Remember, small ya, yu, yo means merge the sound. And that's Yoon. Once you understand this pattern, Japanese pronunciation becomes far more natural. In the next video, we'll tackle double consonants, another key sound rule that learners often struggle with. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. Let's keep Japanese simple, step by step.